Hello, my lovely readers. Welcome back. Today I brought you a different book set. It's called Little Learning Library book set. Let's explore our new book set. Alright, we have to clear this up. Alright, we are done. Animal sounds, words, numbers, and colors. Let's read Little Learning Library. First, we have animal sounds, words, numbers, and colors. What you going to choose? I like to read words first. Words. You can see an apple here. Boy, girl, house, ball, sun, flower, butterfly, car, fire engine, nino, apple, bird. Quick. Learn very first words from house to car. Nice. Alright, let's explore our colors. Green, caterpillar, leaf. Red, apple, strawberry. Orange, cheese. It's yellow. Blue, plum. Brown, cocoon. Many colors, butterfly. You can see many colors in a butterfly. Let's read numbers. 1, one bear. 2, two trees. 3, three stars. 4, four penguins. 5, five carrots. 6, six acorns. 7, seven ladybirds. 8, eight fish. 9, nine flowers. 10, 10 beetles. Next, our last book is Animal Sounds. Bah, bah, it says sheep. Oh, oh, it says cow. Quick, mice. Oh, a lion. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Cockerel. It's chicks. Quack. It's duck. Woof, woof, woof. It's a dog. Meow. It's a cat. Zzz. It is bees. What a lovely book to our little readers. See you again with another beautiful story. Till then, I love you. Bye bye.
BookTube Kids.